Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Juliet. And if you are new here, welcome. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. Please turn on the post notification so you don't miss out on our next post. If you are just bumping into this video, please subscribe to this channel because we have loads and loads of content that we are working on that we'll be uploading on this channel very soon. And I'm sure you don't want to miss out on that. So today we'll actually be talking about how to start up your hair business, your own hair business without having any hair at hand. That means without having any closure, any frontal, any bundles, any wig, nothing, but you are actually selling hair. Now, it is called drop shipping, and drop shipping is a method of business that allows you to have to run your business without having any stock at hand. Now, this pattern of business simply means you'll be working with someone that has what you are selling. You get? So if you are, as a beginner, you want to start selling hair, but you don't have the money to start buying samples and testing out hairs, you don't have the money to invest as a beginner, the best thing you can do is to start drop shipping. Now, for you to start drop shipping, you will need to work hand in hand with either a manufacturer, a supplier, or someone that sells hair very close to you. One of the things that I actually advise for anybody that wants to start doing drop shipping is drop shipping is not pre-order. Those are two different types of ways that you can actually start selling hair. But drop shipping is very different in the sense that if you want to start drop shipping, you need to look for somebody that's closer to you for you to start um with that person. If you want to start with someone in China, let's say you want to start selling hairs or you want to start selling wigs, and you want to work with a supplier or a hair vendor in China or in Vietnam, it is not going to work because most customers that will pay you money, that they are paying you money not for pre-ordered hairs, but it's for hair that they want to use that moment. They cannot wait for that long for your supplier in China or for your supplier in Vietnam or your supplier in Philippines or wherever your supplier is to send down the hair from. Africa is very far away from Southeast Asia. So what I'm trying to say, it will take like 10 to 15 days for hairs that you order from Southeast Asia to get to you in Nigeria. And most people that want to order hair from you or that ordered hair from you, they are actually ordering that hair because they know that they don't get it that day, they are going to get it the next day at most. So if you are going to look for somebody that you can start drop shipping with, it has to be somebody that is close to you. Like I said before, for you to start your drop shipping business, you need to work with either a supplier, a wholesaler, or someone, anyone at all that you know that you can actually get these hairs from and that they can ship out as fast as possible, and then you can then go ahead and deliver to your own customer. There are people that when they do this drop shipping business, or when they are doing drop shipping, they allow the person they are getting the hairs from to deliver straight to the customer, to your own buyer. I actually don't advise that. Reason being that your supplier or the person you get your hairs from or you get your product from, it doesn't have to be hair, but since we are talking about hair, I'm going to be using hair. The person you are getting your hair from is likely going to ship out your customer's order to your customer with her own packaging material, and you know what that means. That is not nice, because if your supplier sends um your order as your customer's order to her with her own packaging material, there is every tendency that your supplier's details, the name, the phone number, and everything is, your customer is going to get it. You get? So what I do advise those in my pre-order group is, by the way, I have in my own pre-order group, sorry, drop shipping group, and if you would like to join, please send me an email or you message me on my personal Instagram. I am Juliet Taiwo. What I usually advise those in my own drop shipping group is that I let them know that I cannot deliver to your own customer. Reason being that that is your own customer, not my own. Your aim, or my own aim, is for you to make that sales. You get, take out your own profit, which could be any amount, and then send me the send me, or send your supplier the amount for the cost of the product. Then I will now send out the item to you, and you can then go ahead to package it whichever way you want with your own packaging material to your own customer. So by the time this customer wears this hair, you get, all her thought and all her mindset that she got the hairs from you. One good thing about dropshipping is that nobody has to know you are even a dropshipper. If you are in my dropshipping group, what I do is that I don't only send you pictures and videos of hairs for you to post on your social media handles. I put you through step by step. I give you hair education, so that you will be able to answer your customers' questions when they have one or two questions for you. It is not just right for you to feel that you are doing drop shipping, and for that you feel you shouldn't know or gain knowledge about what you are selling. No, you have to be knowledgeable about what you are selling, so that you'll be able to attend to your customers when they have one or two questions. So another thing I'm going to say is, if you are somebody that you have the thoughts or the mindset of venturing into hair business, and you are saving up money little by little, I will advise that you start with dropshipping. Reason being that the cost of buying samples is not cheap. The cost of testing out hairs is not cheap either. The cost of shipping hairs from wherever you are shipping it to Africa, to Nigeria here, is not cheap. So it is actually right that you save up that money while you focus on your drop shipping. Save up more money. And the truth is, by the time you are ready, you are finally ready to start up your own hair business, to start importing by yourself, it is actually going to be in your own favor. Because let's say you spent a year doing drop shipping. Within that 1 year, you would have known what your customers want, the kind of hair they want, the kind of texture they want. If they want straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, virgin or raw hair, you'll be able to know what they want. And that way, you focus, you spend your resources, you channel your resources and your attention towards what your customers want. And that's another way for you to grow your customer base. You get, because like I said before, nobody knows that you are not even importing these hairs. You get, all they know is that you are posting pictures of hairs, you are posting videos of hairs, you are posting customers review, you are posting customers feedback. They trust you. They trust you. So by the time you start importing on your own, no one is going to know. No one is going to know at all. So if you know you have you want to start up your own hair business, like I said before, I advise that you start from drop shipping. It's it is 100% risk free. Risk free in the sense that you are not investing any money, maybe little. You are not investing any money. You are not having any hairs on hand. You are not importing, you are not paying shipping fees, you are not paying you are not buying samples. All you just have to do is just to post pictures and videos of what your supplier sends to you, and somebody will come and buy, and the person will send you reviews, and that is it. Is a very good way for you to start up your own hair business. I recommend it 100%. 100%. It is very, very safe. While you are doing your drop shipping, you are saving aside for you to start up your own hair business. So that's what I said I should come and let you guys share with you guys here today. If you know this is the kind of content you like, please subscribe to this channel. Let us go together. And if you know someone who like this kind of content, please feel free to share this channel with the person. I will see you guys next time. Bye.